Alright, this is a part 2 because mine cut it off. So welcome back. Alright, we're still not done with the weather forecast for Alabama and Michigan. Alright, so I already said Detroit. I already said Detroit. I said Detroit. Okay, now I'm just done with this because now I'm getting mad. Alright, so now we need to head over to Alabama. And see what we are looking for. Alright, so welcome back everybody. So we have a few winter weather advisory here. So we are now looking at Alabama here. We got Huntsville that's in effect, and whatever is in the purple is what we need to be concerned about. So now let me go over here and tell you guys what not to do. Alright. So this is going to be at 7 p.m. tonight on a Monday, and today is Monday. So we got impacts that we need to be after. So we got dangerous road conditions, which is going to be icy, freezing rain, and snow. Alright, so we need it. So falling tree branches. So if your car is in the street next to a tree, get your car out of the street, or try to get it in, but try to get your car somewhere far away from the trees if you don't want your car damaged. So and also next thing, oh, I like this. Stay up to date with at least the forecast. So stay up. Don't fall asleep. And power outages may happen. All right. So we have a few states that are going to be affected with this. Alabama, Tennessee, and a little bit of Georgia. So now let's actually see what we are looking at here. So let's go and take a look at Huntsville. All right. Now over in Huntsville, we have now until 7 p.m. on a Monday. So now so this afternoon we have a 20% chance of snow, and tonight another 20% chance. Same with Thursday night. Same with Thursday night, some snow. And then we have our map over here. Alright, so now let's go and take a look at the weather, like the radar, and see what's going to be happening. So we have this right here. So this is the weather, the snow, wind, and all that. This will give me tons of info of what I'm looking for and what Alabama is looking for. All right, so let's go and take a look at 6 o'clock. So 6 a.m. All right, so 6 a.m. and today is Monday. So this is 6 a.m. All right, so you have Arkansas, Mississippi, and Alabama. So we need to take a look at Alabama. So you can see a little bit of a blue, which is a mix, and you got most of it is rain, but later on it may be snow. It may be snow. So, and then with the dark purple and the dark blue, you have this right here is all snow. All right. So now going on to 9 a.m. Let's take a look at 9 a.m. All right, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, which this was hours ago. So this is 9 o'clock. So this is what happened at 9 o'clock today. All right, this is what happened at 9 o'clock today. 12 p.m. Died down a bit, and some more snow up here. 3 p.m. It's now 3 p.m. All right, 3 p.m. is a lot more snow up here, and a lot more snow going up there. Let's take a look at let's look at Tuesday. See what we have going on Tuesday. So this is Tuesday that we're going to be looking at. All right, 6 a.m. Anything happening at 6 a.m.? Nothing. 9 a.m. 12 p.m. 3 p.m. 6 a.m. 9 a.m. 12 p.m. 3 p.m. Nothing is going on. Oh, all right, here we go. All right, so we're still looking for Alabama here in Mississippi. All right, so we're taking a look at Huntsville only. Oh my gosh, that's my cat. Shut up, dragon, dragon. All right, so we're taking a look at Huntsville. So that day on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, is going to be a 17 miles per hour of wind speed, and up here is going to be 18 of wind speed that day. All right. So what about not 9 a.m.? Basically the same thing, but the wind speeds have dropped. 12 p.m. dropping, and basically the same. Alright, well, nothing is really going on Tuesday. Wednesday, let's take a look at Wednesday. And nothing. Is there a way I can zoom out? I can do this, but that's not really what I want. Alright, now let's go ahead, get out of this, and take a look at the hourly weather forecast. Alright, what am I looking at exactly? So we're in Redstone, Alabama. So this is the hourly. This is the hourly. This is the hourly weather. So we have all of this stuff up here. So we have blues, temperature, and the death point. So this is going to be Tuesday, January 7th. So it's going to start off as in the 30s, go all the way up to the 35, and drop back down and go back up. That's going to be the hourly. So basically, every hour it will basically drop or stay and go back up. So now for the green part, and this is the depth point we are looking at. It's going to just go across in that line. It doesn't really move. So now this is the wind chill. So we're looking at the wind chill now. So this is basically the temp of what it feels like when there's wind blowing right on you. So 19 degrees when it's blowing right on you. So basically like a ceiling fan blowing on you. Alright, now same thing with all this. So it's going to go a little bit, then down, up, down, slightly down, all the way up to 27, 28, and back down and back to the 30s, going up to the 30s. Alright, and this is for. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at 5 p.m. Alright, 5 p.m. We got 5 p.m. and we got gust winds and we got surface winds. So at 5 o'clock we have the gust winds, and this is how fast it's going. So 5 p.m. it's going to be 23 miles per hour. Same with 8 and 11 p.m. and 21 2 a.m. and 20 at 5 a.m. 8 a.m. is going to be 18 of one gust and the 10 at 11 a.m. Same with 2 p.m. and now it drops down to 5. Now it drops down to 5. 15. So at 5 p.m. it will drop down to the wind gust of 15. Alright, now we're looking at the surface wind. So let's go and take a look at the surface wind. So you have 5 p.m. going all the way towards 2 p.m. the next day. So you got 15 at 5 p.m. and you got through 8 p.m. and then you got 14 at 11 p.m. and the 14 at 11 p.m., 11 at 2 a.m. 10, basically 11. So 2 a.m. through 5 a.m. is when it starts to die down. So at 8 a.m. through 11 a.m. it's going to be 9. So 8 a.m. to about 8 p.m. At 6 a.m. right 6 a.m. Alright, so 8 p.m. is all the way towards 8 a.m. All the way to 11. And then it slowly goes back up towards the 10s and the 30s. Alright, so now you got the humidity, precipitation, and you also got the sky covers. Alright, so now I cannot really see because there's two basically batched together, but we'll try to figure something out. So as we take a look at this, you got 74. Move. You got 74 at 5 p.m. and maybe 72 with the green. I can't really tell. Alright, so 5 p.m. through 8 p.m., 74 and 75 in the blue part. And then 84, 11 through 5 a.m., 86, and then it drops way down. This is the sky cover I'm looking at from right now. Alright, now going over to the humidity. Let's look at that. So, first parts I really don't know because I cannot even see it. But I'm pretty sure that says 72 and 78. And then it goes down to 75, 76, 80, 78, 81, 59, 69, 75, 78, 81, 84, 88, 58, and 49. Alright, now for the precipitation. So this is 50%, 15 at 5 p.m., and then you got 23 at 8 p.m., and 22 at 11 p.m. This is on Tuesday, January 7th. So 11% through 2 p.m. So the rest of the time it's going to be 0% till 8 a.m. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the this one. There's really nothing on here. So nothing on here. Now we got some snow on Tuesday. All right. So my back itches. So snow. This is snow now. So let's take a look at snow. The snow. So Tuesday, January 7th. You got 5 p.m. and it looks like it's going to have 0.1 inches of snow. And that's not really going to get you anywhere. Alright, so you got basically it's going to keep going till all the way 1 a.m. Then you got really nothing. So freezing rain, nothing, and that's it. Alright, so now we're going to be taking a look at now we're going to be taking a look at the I don't know how I got there in the first place. How did I get there? Oh yeah, up here. Alright, so let's go and take a look at we're going to take a look at on Tuesday. Let's take a look at Tuesday. See what Tuesday? No. No. Wednesday. Oh my gosh, Wednesday. Alright, Wednesday for Alabama. Wednesday. Where is Wednesday? Alright, Wednesday. Alright, this is Wednesday. Oh, it's giving me the same thing. It's giving me the exact same thing. Maybe they don't have it up there. Alright, well, now let's go and take a look at this map again. So we're talking about Alabama. So let's go ahead and click it. Alright, so a cold front just came in for Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, and it's now coming straight to Florida. So this right here is a cold front that just came in, going towards Georgia, South Carolina, and Florida. So that's what just came in, and it's going to be cold. All right, let's go and take a look at the radar and see what we have going on. See if anything is going on at this point. So as we look, what I am seeing, this is the radar. Right now, this is just air moisture that's up in the air. That's just air moisture that's up in the air. So really nothing going on from right now. Now let's take a look at the hazard report. Alright, so so we have minor impacts. This is what is concerning. This is what's concerning. So you got the minor impacts, and that's in yellow because sleet, ice, snow, that's going to be coming in towards Alabama. So you got the safety right here, and it's going to talk about the life and the threat that's going to be happening if you are ever on the road and your car slides off the road into a ditch, and it will damage your car, basically. And it also will damage property. So, and then you got the impact. So, this is going to be a disruption to lives and so what does this mean and what I mean about lives? So, this means like if a power went out and it's going to be cold. Yeah, it's going to be cold and you don't have a heater or generator. Yeah, it's going to be cold and you may get sick, and that's going to be some life threatening because that will get you sick in the cold. So and same without any food. So and the major impacts is just like I said, actually threatening to lives um and property damage, and it is unavoidable. So which means so damage unavoidables, basically, which means the power will go out, and like, let's say a car got damaged because of a tree fell on it. That's going to be the same if you have lots of trees around your house, and it's going to probably fall on your house, and that's not what we want. We don't want that at all. So these are the major impacts, and then this um whatever, I can't say that, suffolk, yeah. And then so now we got the impact right here. This impact: safety and property damage likely. So now property damage. Now it's going to come from property damage. Um. So property damage is so trying to explain this. Property damage. So yeah, property damage. Let's say you have a fence. You have a fence, and let's say you have so many trees. All right, let's say you got so many trees around, or yeah, you have so many trees in it, and it's a big tree. A big tree. You got a big tree, and it will fall on your fence and maybe scrape the house, or a tree's near your window, and a branch falls down on it, and it will bust your window open. Right? And this is Huntsville I'm looking at. Alright, so now those are the prepare. Those are the prepare stuff. And now let's go and take a look at the hourly weather roundup for the 6th. So for right now, and it's gotta load. Alright, now these are the temperatures, the dew point, and the humidity, which I basically talked about that. So hang on. Oh, I can't go back. Here, this is what we need to look at. So if you look at, you got this is for today. You got cloudy, 30 degrees, and the dew point is 22. And then 72% wind and the remarks. So, and let's go and take a look down here. So we talk about the prepare. We looked at that, and we now need to look at the hazard weather outlook. So let's take a look at that. All right, so this is basically, so now this was Friday night. So we're going to take a, and look, it says January 6th to January 11th. So now this is a risk. This was issued today at 1:30. Oh, this just came out. Ooh, okay. Even better. So this is a snow sleet risk for Friday night. Same with the 11th. I need to make sure I'm still recording because what looks like my phone is off. Alright. Just making sure I'm recording. Alright, so if we look over here and whatever's in the yellow, that's what it's going to get. And same with the dark yellow. So you got so taking a look at wind. So let's take a look at the wind and see what parts are getting what. So you got this and all that. So now if we take a look at the excessive cold, and there's about 4 of them. So this is the excessive cold. So which means it's going to be very cold that day. So you got I-65, and if it's windy on I-65, all those semi drivers. So here's the thing about semi drivers with trailers. So it's windy, like blowing really hard, and you got trucks on that highway, and what the wind does, it pushes that trailer. So this right here is a trailer, and this is a trailer, and you got wind. So you got wind, and then it's going to push, and then it starts to let you slide, and then you lose control, and maybe the semi will flip or jackknife the truck. All right. So now let's go back to the ice. So now we got some ice coming. So to the ice, you got ice south of Huntsville into Coleman right here. Then let's take a look. Then you got some over here, and you still got some at the south. And then let's take a look at the snow and sleet. Alright, now we got snow and sleet up here now, as y'all can see. Got snow and sleet, and this is snow/sleet. Alright, now it's gotten worse. So it's gotten worse now. So now you got all this orange, which can be freezing rain, but I don't care if that says snow/sleet. I'm going to say whatever I want. So, since that is in the orange part, sleet is, so whatever's going to be in that orange, definitely snow, sleet, freezing rain. ice, all that stuff. Yeah. And then it says tornado on here. Huh. That's nice. So that's basically what we are looking at for a little bit of Huntsville. Alright, so now we are going to take a look at the climate. Let's take a look at the climate here of Alabama. Oh, forget it. And then now let's talk about being prepared for alright, winter. Winter is what we are looking for. I just lost it. Oh, that's great. That's just great. Oh, that's great. I just lost it. I just lost everything I was talking about. Well, back. Alright, hang on. Alright, now back here. We are back here. So, if we look down here towards Alabama, you can see there's purple. And like I said, purple represents something, which is snow, maybe, and it, ice. So, yeah. Alright, well, part 2 is now over. I need now I need to take a look at the satellite here. All right, well, everybody. I do weather videos. Um, so I hope this got you a lot of information and what you need to do when this happens. And for Alabama, start preparing. And all that. So see y'all in the next weather video, which may be coming out tomorrow. Coming out tomorrow. And see y'all later. Have a good day.